Hi, my name's Monica Flores. I'm going to be teaching multiplication and division fraction stories today to my 6th grade students. Hi students, good morning. How are you? Good morning. So today we're going to be exploring fraction stories to see how multiplying and dividing fractions actually makes sense in real life. So we'll start with a pizza story for our multiplication and a ribbon story for our division. Remember, our goals are to represent our thinking in different ways, explain our reasoning to each other, and use our fraction tools strategically. First, we're going to do our multiplication story. Imagine we have 3/4 of a pizza left. If I give 2/3 of that pizza to my brother, how can we show this? Use your fraction bars model that you've been given to show this. First, what you'll do is you'll shade 3/4 of the pizza, or you'll draw out 3/4 of the pizza. Then we're gonna shade 2/3 of that pizza in the model. What fraction of the whole pizza does my brother get from this example? Go ahead, Kevin.
1/2.
1/2, that's the right answer. My brother will have 1/2 of the whole pizza. So 2/3 of 3/4, 2/3 of 3/4 equals 1/2. This is your problem, and this is your example. Everybody loves pizza.
I love pizza.
All right, so next is our division model. For our division, we're gonna imagine that Cassie has 5 1/4 yards of ribbon for only 3 bows. Let's draw a bar of 5 1/4 yards of ribbon, as you can see in this example. We're gonna then divide it into 5 equal parts and 1 smaller part to show the 1/4. We then are gonna shade that into 3 equal parts. That will show that there is how many yards for each bow. Go ahead. 1 3/4 yards for each bow. That's correct. So, did you get that by doing 24/4 divided by 3 equals 7/4, and then making that into a proper fraction?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So you're correct. 1 3/4 is the amount in length of yard for each bow for Cassie to make her 3 bows. So, multiplying fractions means finding a part of a fraction, while dividing fractions means sharing a whole into equal parts. Both use visual models to make sense of the story. Great thinking today, everybody. Good job. I'm gonna give you guys some problems to work on yourself so that I can review and critique where it's needed. You guys may work together with one partner, and I will come around in just a moment.